Today we had a county steering group here in Siamo. It was about the drought, the status of drought at this time. And we wanted to give an overview of the drought situation now and the level of response we are making also at this time, and the gaps that are there for the government and partners to see how better they will move to the next level of response in this emergency. The second thing we looked in this meeting is also forecast projection, weather projection for the next level of 3 month period. So we had to project also how the weather will behave for us, for our planning. Now that we are at the emergency level of drought, we wanted to have the forecast of how weather will behave and how we will give advisory to our farmers, both for livestock and farmers from crops. Now, that is the second thing that we dealt in the meeting. And the third thing that we dealt with is the research that was done about water and the resilience of dry lands pertaining water systems in Turkana County, which was done by the University of Nairobi. So we wanted to hear from this research how the water systems here and how do we make the water systems resilient in the next level of this drought and what is happening with the weather. The climate change and the level of water both in the ground and how do we deal with it during drought, because we have drought and we have floods. So we have getting rain, too much rain at a short time, but we have floods, and we have again a dry spell for a long period of time, which had up being drought. So these are the issues that we talked today, and we had agreed quite a number of issues on interventions that are going on and the level of response we are making and how do we respond to it. And this research also has enriched us with the issue how do we manage the water systems around and what affecting the water systems that we run out of water during drought. So these are the issues we talked this time, and we had approved the research, the findings of the research, and we say depending on our experience and what we know about Turkana County and the water. So we have approved this is the correct situation of water in Turkana.